Make it home, even without any shape, with just 4 ingredients, and it melts in your mouth. Let's start by adding 200 grams of cream, 400 grams of condensed milk, 1 packet of passion juice fruit, but the flavor may be your preference. And now just mix everything very well. This is the ideal consistency. Now just pick it up and refrigerate. Here I am using 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Just melt and get a 250 ml disposable cup. And with the help of a spoon, I will spread this chocolate all over the cup. Remove some of the excess and place the cups upside down on a board lined with plastic film. And then refrigerate for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just repeat the process to make a second layer of chocolate. Let the excess drain again and refrigerate for another 5 minutes. It will stay that way. Now just get the filling ready and add it to the glass. Once that's done, take a prop-side stick and with a spoon put chocolate on the stick so that it sets well. Then place the toothpick in the middle of the cup and to finish, place the melted chocolate on top. Take it to the freezer until it freezes, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Just pull the toothpick, which is already loose. Delicious. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Puro in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.